Our body is a fantastic machine. It's more complex than any computer or spaceship. It's made of many parts that work together, keeping us alive and kicking. From the tiniest cells to the largest organs, everything has a role to play. Think of your body as a busy city. Each part has a job, just like people have jobs in a city. The heart pumps blood like a central water system. The lungs take in air, like ventilation systems in buildings. It's incredible how it all works together. Isn't it fascinating? Let's explore some of these amazing systems and see how they keep us going. Let's talk about the digestive system, our very own food factory. It's responsible for breaking down the food we eat into tiny particles that our body can use for energy and growth. The journey starts in the mouth, where teeth chop the food and saliva softens it. Then, it travels down the esophagus, a long tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. The stomach churns the food, mixing it with digestive juices. Next, the food moves to the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed. Finally, the leftover waste travels to the large intestine and is expelled from the body. It's like a well-organized assembly line. Now, let's breathe easy and explore the fascinating world of the respiratory system. This system is crucial for our survival and plays a vital role in our overall health. Its main job is to take in oxygen, which our body needs for energy, and release carbon dioxide, a waste product. This exchange of gases is fundamental to our body's ability to function properly. It's like trading old air for fresh air. This process happens seamlessly, allowing us to stay active and healthy. We breathe in air through our nose and mouth. These entry points filter and warm the air before it travels deeper into our respiratory system. The air travels down the trachea, a tube that splits into two smaller tubes called bronchi. These bronchi act as highways, directing the air into our lungs. These bronchi lead to the lungs, where tiny air sacs called alveoli exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with our blood. This exchange is critical for maintaining the balance of gases in our body. Every breath we take is essential for keeping our cells alive and functioning. Without this constant supply of oxygen, our cells would not be able to produce the energy needed for daily activities. It's a continuous process that happens without us even thinking about it. Our body automatically regulates our breathing, ensuring we get the oxygen we need, whether we're awake or asleep. Section 4. The non-stop delivery. Imagine a network of roads and highways transporting essential goods throughout a bustling city. Every street, every lane, and every alley is part of this intricate system, ensuring that everything from food to medicine reaches its destination. That's exactly what the circulatory system does inside our body. It's a complex and efficient network that keeps us alive and thriving. It's responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell and removing waste products. This process is vital for our survival and overall health. The heart is the star player in this system, acting as a powerful pump. It tirelessly works to keep the blood flowing, ensuring that our body functions smoothly. It pumps blood through a vast network of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. These vessels are like the roads and highways of our body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, delivering it to various parts of the body, while veins bring back deoxygenated blood to the heart for reoxygenation. This continuous circulation ensures that every part of our body receives the nourishment it needs to function properly. Whether you're running a marathon or simply sitting at your desk, your circulatory system is hard at work. It's like a non-stop delivery service working round the clock, ensuring that every cell gets what it needs, when it needs it. Truly, it's one of the most remarkable systems in our body. Section 5. The Control Center. Finally, let's step into the control center of our body, the nervous system. This intricate network is the command hub that keeps everything running smoothly. It's responsible for everything we do, thinking, feeling, moving, and even dreaming. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, and every action we take is orchestrated by this incredible system. It's like the body's very own supercomputer. Just as a computer processes data and executes commands, our nervous system processes information and directs our body's responses. The brain is the boss of this system, receiving information from the outside world through our senses: sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. These senses act as the brain's input devices, feeding it with vital data. It processes this information and sends signals through the spinal cord and nerves to different parts of the body. This communication network ensures that our body functions in a coordinated manner. The nervous system allows us to react to our surroundings, learn new things, and experience emotions. It's the reason we can adapt to new situations and grow from our experiences. It's a complex and fascinating system that makes us who we are. The intricate web of neurons and connections is what gives us our unique personalities and abilities. Our body is truly amazing. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how incredible it is. From the tiniest cells to the largest organs, everything works together in perfect harmony. Each part plays a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. Understanding how our body functions helps us appreciate its complexity and take better care of ourselves. Knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about our health. So, let's marvel at the wonder that is the human body. It's a masterpiece of biological engineering, and we should cherish and nurture it every day.